Today's a little bit of change in scenery. We see an STI up on a lift with a man underneath of it.
I'm gonna break the complete ass out of this.
With a small issue with his rear sway bar.
Oh yeah, wait, before I do this... Yeah. Okay, so pretty much the guy who owned this thing before me is not very smart. He, this is not supposed to be there. This is supposed to be up here, because this was binding against my control arm. So I need to move this up here and get that there. So I'm not gonna have a sway bar for a little while, but should be safe. But over here, yeah, this that's supposed to be here, and that's all supposed to be up there. So yeah, this is yeah, I need to fix this. So I'm going to break. Oh, that was easy.
This is splendid. Hopefully nothing like comes flying at you when you're doing this.
I don't think it will. Because that side's already, you know, off. Bonk, 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 bonk.
It's starting to come out.
It is. I just got to remove the top freaking part of the sway bar so I can just kind of maneuver it. This is exuberant.
You mean to tell me that this thing was a 13mm at your house, but a 13mm here's too big and a 10's too small? Then what is it?
I don't know what kind of anomaly these bolts are. I'm gonna say 11 or 12. Bring both.
I will bring both.
It is indeed.
What kind of psychopath uses a 12mm bolt or nut, whatever it be?
A nut. I'm gonna nut on this bolt.
That's splendid. That's what you love to hear.
Oh, I'm gonna stab myself with that one.
That's what you want.
Oh yeah. I might actually need an extension. Do you have an extension?
I have a 1-inch extension.
That's what she said. Hello. I'm back. Back in action. Oh god.
Just go ahead and play the freaking marimba while you're at it.
I'm gonna play your ass like a fucking piano.
Oh. This is, I've come to the conclusion this is literally just going to be a series of videos. Because I have not edited any of this yet. What? What have you done? Is it stuck on there?
Yeah, it is. Oh no.
That's extra wonderful. How in the ass?
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Trying not to stab myself on this.
Well, why'd you put that screw in there? Because I wanted mud flaps!
You knob hopper?
You're a knob hopper.
Oh, you know what I'm gonna actually do?
You're a cob stopper.
You're an everlasting gobstopper.
I'm gonna gob stomp you here in a minute.
I'm gonna... Oh.
Here we go.
Oh.
That was splendid.
Ooh, there it is. There it
that
broke.
Sounds good.
That broke. Nice and free. Come to me, my little child. I have one phone number, and it is the Ghostbusters.
But about a bottom.
Wow. Fancy meeting you here.
Under his sexually transmitted infection.
My nice muff. Oh, fuck.
Stop getting my socket stuck!
Trying not to! Get off! Ah! This is agony!
Yeah, you've been through agony. You've been through an FC transmission and a 944 engine mount.
Oh.
Those are agony.
Why?
Because you haven't undone the bolt yet.